Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I want to explain to you how to optimize your losing EA. And when I mean optimize in this sense, I mean how to enhance, how to make it more profitable. Okay, many times we have EAs that should have worked well, probably made some money or makes money a few days, but other days blows the account, or not actually working well because certain things are missing in the build-up of that EA. Okay, so how do you make that EA better? How do you make it more profitable without actually being a programmer or employing somebody? Okay, this is a very, very easy way to do this. Just go to strategyconverter.com. Okay, when you get to this site, you can just sign up free. Then click optimize EA, come to the optimization page. Now you have everyone ask one free optimization that you can do. Now by optimization I mean you're enhancing the EA in this wise. Okay, so just come to this page, then scroll down. You will see the form, you will see the place where you will paste your code, your losing EA. Okay, then if it's MT4, use MQL4. If it's MT5, use MQL4. You place your code here. Okay, now there's actually many things that this EA will do. I'm going to demonstrate everything for you. Okay, then even after everything, there are compilation errors. You still post the code here and post the error message, and once it's going to clear the error and clean up the error. So let me demonstrate something for you. Okay, I have this. Let me just use this code as an example. I'm going to use this code as an example. This is an MT5 code. Okay, you have MQL5. Mind you, you need the source code of that EA. Okay, to be able to optimize it or enhance it. So you can actually, if you know what is strong or what you want that EA to do, okay, you can actually put that description here. But if you want the application to analyze the EA and tell you what is wrong with the EA, just click analyze EA code. Excuse me. Okay, so it will bring up results. Okay, so you have analysis and enhancement options, no stop loss, implementation detected, missing trade management logic, no error handling for broker disconnections, over trading risk, no daily limit set. Okay, these are the problems the system identifies with your EA. So just scroll down, you will see a lot of enhancement features that you can add. Okay, so for this one, I'm simply going to pick a few. Okay, let me just pick news filter. I'll pick profit protection. I'll pick trading sections. Okay, you'll be able to pick which trading section you want to trade. I'm going to pick one more. Let me split daily trade limits. Okay, when you do that, you simply click generate optimize MQL4. So just wait for it to do what it is to do. So what this application does is that it tries as much as possible to return a code without error. So because when it tries to generate your enhanced EA, it will send it back to AI to ensure there are no codes, there are no errors in the code, okay, based on some parameters, and now release that to you. Okay, so let's wait for it. This happens about latest 1 to 2 minutes at most. You will have your results. Then you are able to optimize, be able to, what is it called, compile it and see if it's error free. Okay, you have the results now. Okay, what do? The result is here, down here. Okay, this is the results. So you can either download or copy this code. If you've already opened your meta editor with which you want to compile, you can just copy this code and paste. But if not, you can just download and open the meta editor so that you can compile. So for me, since I have opened a meta editor, I'll just copy this code and try to compile. Okay, so I'll try to compile. Let me compile here. Okay, I'll delete this and try to compile. Okay, F7 we compile. Okay, it's compiling. Beautiful, no errors. I actually wish there were errors so that I can show you how to clean the errors, but in this case there is no error, there are no errors. Okay, so this is beautifully compiled. You will see this in your expert advisor area. Okay, so but let me just quickly show you in case you add errors, how do you solve it, how do you sort it out. Okay, so on the same page, on the same result page, if you scroll down, you still see the fix EA compilation errors box. You post it here, you paste the code here, you choose if it's MQL4, MQL5, then you now copy the error codes. Okay, normally you have the error messages here. You select one after the other, select everything and copy. Okay, these are not error messages, I'm just using this for example, and copy and post them here. Then ask it to fix compilation errors. Then it's going to clean up the errors and give you a very, very clean code that is compilable. Okay, so thank you so much. You want to try this yourself? Everyone has one free compilation, one field optimization to do. You might want to try this yourself. You want to have access. It's actually very cheap. I think it's just about let me check. Yeah, I think it's about $19 or so for unlimited monthly access. Okay, thank you so much. That is the wonderful tool I want to show you today. Okay, next time I may do more. I will do more samples, then show you the results in the MetaTrader. Okay, enjoy your day. Bye bye.